Hello everyone, and thank you for selecting my video to tune your precious time into. I really appreciate it. Really appreciate it. My name is Kaya, for those of you who do not know, and to the OKTs, which is the original K-Team, you the best. So excited that you guys are here and watching this video. So it's like 6 o'clock in the morning right now, and I have to go to work, and I just wanted to get up and record a video and so I can get more stuff put on my channel for this year. I really been trying to work on that and just want to make sure that that's like one of my top goals, is to get more videos up on my YouTube channel. So today's video is going to be on this look that you see here. Basically, you know, I just got up and I just winged it. You know, I don't know, like maybe if some of you who, if you are makeup lovers out there, when I'm laying in the bed at night, like before I go to sleep, after I pray, I just sit there and I think, what look could I do tomorrow? And you know, I was thinking something that would be more on this tone, this burgundy shade. So I thought about like what different products I have that I could put into the video, besides I was using the same palettes and stuff. So I actually have used this in one of my videos before, but for some reason I was just really feeling burgundy, and this is the product that I decided to use today. I used it as a liner on my eyes. I can get you a close-up shot in a minute, but yeah, that's really what I came up with. I did a half little cut crease, and you know, yeah, that's just what I came up with. And this wig, it's actually not new. I've had this wig since December of 2016, and it is now January 2018. So it was actually black, and it used to be a lot longer. So it was once super wavy, and then I straightened it a lot, so then the wave pattern kind of like went away a little bit, and then it was longer, so I cut it, and then I was wearing it like black and straight and just, you know, this length. And then I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and try to color this a little bit. So I colored it, and it's actually like a tritone, because the top half is a lot more blonde, and then when you get underneath, it's more like, this is more, I want to say not honey, but it's kind of like a copper tone. So it's very tritone, and I like it. I really do like it. It came out cute, and yeah, so it actually was straight, and it was actually a little bit longer than this, and I cut it some more, and then I was like, okay, I'm tired of straight, so I curled it. So yeah, this is what we got here. I actually have a video on that, and it'll be posted on my channel very soon, and I'll make sure I put the link to that video below in the description box. But I'm gonna stop talking. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump into the video, so let's get on to it. Best foundation ever.